All right, on this test question, it says to test if the green is a C, which is between 70 and 79 inclusive, which means you're including 70 and 79 in that. You would use the following if statement. And so then it has if, and then we have 3 blanks. So the question is asking which of the 3 symbols will correctly fill in the blanks so that it is, in the correct order that they appear. So when we're looking at any time that it's in between 2 values, you always want to use the and, okay? Which makes sense even when you read it, right? It says 70 and 79 between. So you always want to use and, because if I say, for example, greater than 70 or less than 79, this would be all numbers, right? Because all numbers would fit into the category of being either bigger than 70 or being smaller than 79. Number 1 bigger than 70, no, or is 1 less than 79, yes. And remember, in an or, you only need one of the 2 to be true. So a good rule of thumb to remember is anytime it's in between 2 values, you always want to use an and. So for that reason, we're down to just, has to be A or B. The only difference between A and B is that A is saying less than, and it's not including the equal to, okay? But A is saying first a less than, then an and symbol in between here, and then a greater than. No number would ever fit in this category. A number that is both less than 70 and also bigger than 79. There's no number that would meet that, right? Like let's find 65, right? Or a number that's actually in between, like 72, for example. 72 less than 70? No. And it's an and. So no value actually would fit into that category because no value would actually be smaller than 70 and also bigger than 79. So the answer is B. And the reason why we have to include equal to is because it is inclusive of the 70 and the 79. So it would be that G is bigger than or equal to 70 and that it is less than or equal to 79. These would be the numbers that were actually in between 70 and 79, including 70 and 79. So for example, 72, we can always test it. 72 greater than or equal to 70? Yes. And is 72 less than or equal to 79? Yes. So that's a good test strategy also to pick some values that would be in the range that you're looking for, and then testing and seeing if it actually works out.